Hey, so as a director in Outfest, I have to go to these red carpet events and stuff, and I'm being sponsored by Wildfang, which is awesome. So they're sponsoring a suit for my red carpet thing, but also Nick Kacy, who does gender neutral shoes, is also sponsoring a pair for me. So I wanted to show you guys it because they're really cool, and it's stuff that I didn't know about shoes. So shoes. Okay, so I went to a fitting today, and check these out. These are beautiful. These are gender neutral shoes. You can get them for men and women, but I think they are amazing looking. But the construction on it is really super dope. There's something about that kind of stitching that is supposedly really important cobbler wise, but it's awesome. And it comes with like a shoe bag, which is Nick Kacy Footwear Walk Your Way, which I think is dope. And let me see, where's the card? Okay, so like here's like the different kinds of shoes that they have, and it's just, I think they're just beautiful. So yeah, very, very thankful. Oh, and you know what I didn't know? So here's what I didn't know. I didn't know that your toes aren't supposed to be crammed all the way to the end there. I'm a climber, so climbing shoes, they make your feet squish at the end. But evidently, yeah, you're supposed to have breathing room for your toes. And also, a lot of women's shoes, they cram your toes at the end, but these are super duper comfortable. Anyways, okay, bye.